Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the precipitation function in the Planes Live application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the cloud button at the top of the page on the right, and then at the overlays section look for the precipitation button, and to enable it just click on the white circle next to it, and as you can see, once you clicked on that, the map has changed, and this detailed forecast is now appeared on the map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.